mind that we often do not even notice how much time we spend doing it. This stillness is a normal and expected feature of the world we have built for ourselves. The rhythm of modern life often encourages us to be still. Our jobs have changed over generations. Many now involve long hours at a computer, requiring us to remain seated to complete our tasks. Our travel has changed too. We sit in cars, on buses, and on trains to get from one place to another. When you add all of these moments together, it is not unusual for a person to sit for 8 hours, 10 hours, or even more each day. The issue is not sitting itself. A moment of rest in a chair is not harmful. The real concern is the prolonged, uninterrupted nature of this stillness. It is the long stretches of time spent without moving that can quietly begin to affect the body. Our bodies are wonderfully designed for movement. They thrive on activity. When we stay still for too long, day after day, we are asking our bodies to function in a way that goes against their natural design. This gentle, constant stillness can create subtle changes that we may not feel at first. This essay is not meant to cause alarm. Instead, it is a gentle invitation to become more aware of our daily habits. It is a quiet exploration of what happens inside our bodies when we sit for long periods. And most importantly, it offers simple, kind, and practical ways to bring more movement back into our lives. You will see that change does not need to be drastic or difficult. Even the smallest steps taken consistently can make a profound difference to your well-being. Let us begin this journey with curiosity and a sense of gentle care for ourselves. When we settle into a chair for a long time, the body's inner world begins to change. The heart, our tireless engine, continues its steady beat, but the conditions it works under are different. The large muscles in our legs, the second heart, become quiet. This stillness causes blood flow to slow, especially in the lower limbs. Think of it like a river, brisk current, then a slow, meandering stream. Reduced circulation can make the legs feel heavy, tired, a little swollen. This slowing of blood flow is more than just discomfort. Over time, poor circulation creates health challenges.